Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sornaart. I like to share all my drawing techniques and tips with you. Hey guys, we have planned to ask questions for coming 10 videos. There are 3 questions will be asked in every video. Answer for all the questions in the comment sections. There is a surprise for you. Today I am going to show you how to draw a seascape with oil pastel. These are the materials that I am going to use for this drawing: camel oil pastel, dark grey, white, ultramarine blue, brown, yellow grey, buff, cobalt blue hue, cerulean blue hue, light blue, Prussian green, emerald green, down super soft pencil, grey, brown, acrylic white color, brush, mechanical pencil, mechano eraser. This is A4 size pastel paper. First I am drawing line to separate the sky and sea. For outline I am using the freehand method because the clouds and sea wave doesn't need any perfect outlines. Now I am drawing some random clouds. Now I am drawing some waves in the sea. And this is some sand portion. Now the outline is ready to color. Question number 1. How many videos uploaded in this channel? I am starting with cerulean blue hue. This is cobalt blue. For oil pastel, I recommend this Derwent pastel paper. I bought this for a soft pastel drawing, but this works great with oil pastel than the soft pastel. For clouds, first I am using white for darker portions. I am going to use grey and cobalt blue hue. Paper will give you smooth finish. Blending with finger is more than enough. Most of the people using tissue for blending, but I am not satisfied with it. Question number 2. What pencil I used in the butterfly drawing video? I start coloring the sea with ultramarine blue. This is white for waves. This is the ocean looking like having a green water. So I am using emerald green for base layer. For the second layer, I am using light blue. For the dark shade, I am using Prussian green. For the water on sand portion, I am using buff color. This is white. For the remaining portion, I am using yellow grey. For the edges of the waves, I am using grey color. This is brown color pencil. This is grey color for giving some details on the clouds. I am using white acrylic color for the highlight area of the overall drawing. This picture have lot of white highlight, so it is difficult to use white gel pen, so I choose acrylic color. You can also use correction pen. Question number 3. Which color pencil I used for the shiny look in the head of the Vijay drawing? Option A, black. Option B, grey. I am using grey color on the white for darker shades. Now I am using some white pastel for some blending. Okay, this is the coloring of the seascape. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.